Morning students. Now in this video we will discuss the next topics of chapter motion. The topics which we have to cover in this video are types of motion, concept of speed, velocity, acceleration and graphical representation of motion. So first of all, what is uniform and non-uniform motion? Beta, every moving body can have either uniform motion or non-uniform motion. So what is uniform motion? Uniform motion means when a body covers equal distance in equal interval of time, then the body is said to have in uniform motion. So here it is the distance time graph for representing uniform motion. So nature of this graph will be a straight line inclined to time axis. Straight line inclined to time axis. In similar way, we can define non-uniform motion. It is just opposite to that of uniform motion. Non-uniform motion means when a body covers an equal distance in equal interval of time, then it is called non-uniform motion. And these are the distance time graph for non-uniform motion. It is increasing in speed and this is the decreasing in speed. Next concept is speed. Speed, it is a physical quantity which tells us that how fast or slow the object is moving. It is defined as distance traveled per unit time taken. यानी कि हम स्पीड को किस तरह से डिफाइन करेंगे बेटा? The distance traveled by a body per unit time taken by the body is called its speed. The formula of speed is V equal to distance upon time. V equal to S upon T. Here it is the SI unit meter per second. नेक्स्ट आएगा बेटा स्पीड के टाइप्स ऑफ स्पीड. व्हेन ए बॉडी इज एक्सिक्यूटिंग यूनिफॉर्म मोशन देन it is called it is said to have constant speed, and when a body is traveling with non-uniform motion then its speed is called variable speed. और बच्चों ये चीज हमें ध्यान में रखनी होगी कि जब कोई बॉडी नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन एग्जीक्यूट कर रही है तो अब हमें कंसेप्ट ऑफ एवरेज स्पीड को अप्लाई करना होगा. द फॉर्मूला ऑफ एवरेज स्पीड इज टोटल डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड टू द टोटल टाइम टेकन. अगर हमें एवरेज स्पीड के कन्वर्जन फैक्टर पर भी ध्यान रखना होगा बेटा कि अगर स्पीड किलोमीटर पर आवर है तो उसको मीटर पर सेकंड में कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे. तो आप बच्चे यहां से ये बेसिक इसका याद रखेंगे कि अगर स्पीड को हमें किलोमीटर पर आवर से मीटर पर सेकंड में कन्वर्ट करना है देन वी नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई इट दैट विद 5/18. ये न्यूमेरिकल में आपकी हेल्प करेगा बेटा. जब हमें स्पीड किलोमीटर पर आवर में दे रखी है तो उसको मीटर पर सेकंड में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हम उस वैल्यू को 5/18 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. नाउ हियर we will discuss about the few numericals related to the concept of speed and velocity. न्यूमेरिकल्स को सॉल्व करने के कुछ रूल्स होते हैं बेटा. वो रूल्स मैं आपको लिस्ट आउट करना चाहूंगा कि पहले हमें न्यूमेरिकल में जो इंफॉर्मेशन जितनी दे रखी होगी दोज वी नीड टू कलेक्ट फर्स्ट. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल इन दिस क्वेश्चन इट इज 40 kilometer, it is the distance. So first of all write down the given information. Distance जिसको S से डिनोट करेंगे it is given 40 kilometer. Then it is time which is equal to 5 hours. We have to find in the given question we have to find speed in meter per second and kilometer per hour. As distance is given in kilometer, time is given in hours. So first of all we have to find out the speed in kilometer per hour. So the formula of speed is distance to the total time. So distance in kilometer it is 40, time it is 5 hour. तो ये बेटा इसको सॉल्व करके कितना आ जाएगा 8 kilometer per hour. Now in the question it is given that we have to find out the speed in meter per second. बेटा मैंने already आपको बताया है कि अगर हमने speed को convert करना है किलोमीटर पर आवर को convert करना है मीटर पर सेकंड में, then we need to multiply that factor with 5 upon 18. And on multiplying the given factor with 5 upon 18, it is equal to 8 5s are 40 upon 18, or after calculation it comes out to be 2.22 meter per second. So this is the answer for this question. हम discuss करेंगे about the concept of velocity. तो velocity क्या है बेटा? It is a speed of body in a direction. Means velocity एक speed है with direction. Means velocity is a vector quantity. इसके पास magnitude के साथ साथ direction भी है. So velocity is a vector quantity. तो formula of velocity is, it is displacement per unit time. Velocity is a vector quantity. मैंने आपको already बताया बेटा, its value changes when either its magnitude or direction changes. This is the property of vector quantities beta. Vector quantities depend upon the magnitude of quantity as well as the direction of the quantity. If direction change, the quantity will change. The magnitude change, the quantity will change. Okay beta, next जो आएगा that is types of velocity. देखिए, non-uniform motion in a given line, average velocity we have to calculate, and average velocity is defined as the total displacement to the total time taken. ये आपने अच्छे से बेटा formulas जितने भी हैं related to the concept वो आपने अच्छे से पढ़ लेने हैं बेटा. Similarly देखो बेटा नेक्स्ट क्या बोल रखा है कि for uniformly changing velocity, जो बॉडी अपनी वेलोसिटी को एक यूनिफॉर्म रेट से चेंज कर रही है, देन एवरेज वेलोसिटी कैन बी कैलकुलेटेड एज इनिशियल वेलोसिटी ऑफ दैट बॉडी प्लस फाइनल वेलोसिटी ऑफ दैट बॉडी डिवाइडेड बाय 2. इनिशियल वेलोसिटी को बेटा हम लेटर u से डिनोट करते हैं, फाइनल वेलोसिटी डिनोटेड बाय v, or it is divided by 2. This is the formula of average velocity of that body which is uniformly changes its velocity. Next, SI unit of velocity is meter per second. It is similar to that of the unit of speed, as we know that speed is distance upon time, so its unit is meter per second. Also velocity is a speed but with direction, so its unit is same as the unit of speed. तो formula beta velocity, it is displacement upon time. Since velocity is a vector quantity, so it can be a positive in value, it can be negative in value, or it can be zero in value. Now the example about the velocity, the first example about the velocity is during first half of a journey, why a body it travel with a speed of 40 km per hour. Means कोई body अपने first hour में travel कर रही है with a speed of 40 km per hour, and in the next half it travels with a speed of 20 km per hour. Then calculate the average speed of the whole journey. Actually this is the question based on the average speed. Since we know that the base formula of average speed is total distance traveled to the total time taken. So बेटा न्यूमेरिकल को सॉल्व करने से पहले हमें क्या करना होगा, we have to write down the given informations which are given in the question. So in this question it is given that the body moves with a speed of 40 km per hour in first half of its journey. तो it is the speed during first half, उसको v1 से डिनोट कर दिया 40 km per hour, and in the next half of its journey it travel with a speed of 20 km per hour. So the speed during the second half इसको v2 से डिनोट करा, that is given that 20 km per hour. We have to find out the average speed. Then make use of this formula of average speed, that is, since the body initial speed plus final speed divided by 2, that is equal to 30 kilometer per hour. Thank you.